Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making something crispy, golden, and just so fun to eat. Crispy tofu balls. Look at these little guys, round and golden, crunchy on the outside, soft and fluffy inside. Perfect as a snack or even as a side dish. Alright, let's get cooking. First, I've got a block of tofu in a big bowl. Crack into eggs. And then mash the tofu up with your hands. The finer you mash it, the smoother your tofu balls will be. Now let's add some flavor. In go diced shiitake mushrooms, chopped cilantro, chopped green onions, and diced carrots. Mix everything together with your hands until it's well combined. Next, add 5 tablespoons of flour and 5 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Work that in so it binds. Now season it. 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of MSG, 1 teaspoon of Chinese 13 spice, and 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Mix everything until it becomes a nice sticky mixture. Then we roll it into small balls, one by one. That's it for prep. Now let's fry. Heat oil in the wok. When the oil reaches 150 degrees Celsius, add the small balls into the wok one by one. Fry until they float up and turn beautifully golden. That's when you know they are ready. Take them out and drain excess oil. Now look at this, perfect little golden balls. Hear that sound? Crispy outside, soft and tender inside. Doesn't that look amazing? Let me try one. Oh wow, that's so good. Crispy, flavorful, and so satisfying. But remember, you've got to eat these while they are hot. They are quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. Go try this at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.